This is a death production. This is a death production.
Are you going to try my secret sauce? Or are you going to fly away like an albatross? Are you going to try my secret sauce? Are you going to try my secret sauce? Oh, pretty. Please try my secret sauce because it's made with ALBaTRoSS. Tenderize, beat the meat to the beat. Beat the meat so sweet. Glaze it with spice and brown sugar and honey. ALBaTRoSS, you are all I have been wanting. Let the meat marinate. Soak up the flavor. Let it absorb like a sponge. Let it cure in this delightful fluid. Prepared just for you, my ALBaTRoSS. Please do fly away. I will feed you fish before I pluck your feathers. Oh, let your meat marinate, my sweet, sweet ALBaTRoSS. Or grind it up with spice so sweet. I am losing sleep because I want to taste your meat. I can make ground up ALBaTRoSS a nice patty tasting so sweet. Fry it up or grill the meat with heat. Roll it in a tortilla and put it in a taco. Make into a casserole. Make it into a soap. Oh my ALBaTRoSS. There is so many ways to prepare you. Stay long enough, ALBaTRoSS, so I can catch you. Live it up. Taste the flavor. Let your ears eat. As your tongue smacks to the delicious ALBaTRoSS you caught tasting like heaven singing in your mouth. This chill pepper power burns oh so sweet as I devour. This delicacy I call my secret sauce. Now you know it is ALBaTRoSS. So finger-licking good my secret sauce. This ALBaTRoSS stuffed with as many chili peppers as I could. Roasted over hickory wood. Are you going to try my secret sauce? Or are you going to fly away like an albatross? Are you going to try my secret sauce? Are you going to try my secret sauce? If you want, you can be my ALBaTRoSS for my secret sauce. Do you want to try my secret sauce? Once you taste, you'll know it's ALBaTRoSS. Oh please, don't fly away, sexy ALBaTRoSS. You look good to me, and I am so very, very hungry. I will feed you all the fish you want before I eat and devour you. My precious ALBaTRoSS, my secret sauce. Do you want to try my secret sauce? Don't you want to be my secret sauce?
This is a death production. This is a death production.